Okay, YouTube, it's me, Tenny Shoes, and I'm back to show you my tracked front loader that I built with a modded remote, not remote, battery pack. So right there, you can see the drill battery. It's in the center of it. And this is a 9.6 volt drill battery. It's right there, you can't see it. And the reason why I built this is because I'm not really good at making wheeled creations, because I'm not good at making the steering work, because I don't have the right parts, or it's not strong enough. So I build big things like this, but the problem is they don't move very well. So if you're gonna make this drill battery, I'm gonna help you out. I took this off of one of my motors that stopped working, but you wanna take the drill, take it apart and cut this part out. It's gonna be connected to the motor, the switch, and then this will be down here. I had cut it short, so I just have a short spot to put these on. So the positive is going to be on the left side here. These two wires, and you can split them at the end. So if you put this facing you like that, the left side is going to be positive and the right is going to be negative. So I'm just going to show you this quick with a normal battery pack. I don't have any new batteries, so I tried my best to get 1.4 better batteries. So this is almost at 9 volts. It's at that. Well, it was at 8.66 volts. So it's almost 9 volts. There we go. Okay. And it can't even turn. So I could have geared this down lower, but I wanted it to be pretty fast. So after I built this with the drill battery, I was able to get this to work. Okay, it's on. I'm not sure why it's turning like that. Okay. Anyways. It's able to turn. Oh, I bet I have another bad motor. These XL motors haven't been working out very good for me. I had one that stopped working and I tried fixing it. and all of a sudden it started working. Then another one stopped working. Now this one stopped working, so I guess I have 2 out of 4 that are working right now. Let me turn this. Okay. I tried making the bucket as small as well, the lift system as small as possible. So I just put the 2 together with the gears, and same on the bottom for the other lift. Now I made a trailer for this. Trailer hitch folds down. Okay. My winch unwind. Okay. So this is my trailer with the jack, and the back comes down. Now I made this so then, even though I know it can't, but the trailer can be in many positions, including over stuff. So that's all it is. And then, I know it's not remote control, but I have my race car that I made. Use the winch. Try backing this up. Not broke it off. And this bad motor is really bugging me. I need to get that fixed. Well, that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned some tips for the drill battery. I would not go over 9 volts, even though this is a 6 or 9.6 volt. Even if it is a little dead, you still have 9 volts. And for charging, you probably don't want to build around it too much. I just have to pull off my receivers and put the drill battery on. Depending on what drill you use, It'll also depend on what kind of outside you're gonna put on your battery. I made mine so then I could put lots of stuff onto it. Oh. Well, that is that, so thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn it off.